Hello friends, today we shall continue the topic of the non-linear partial differential equations. The partial differential equations of the type f of pq equal to 0 that we have discussed in the last lecture, f of pqz equal to 0, type 2 that also we have discussed. The third type, f of xp equal to g of yq, that we were discussing. So let us solve some more examples on that third type, type 3. f1 of xp is equal to f2 of yq. Let us solve yp plus xq plus pq equal to 0. yp plus xq plus pq equal to 0. It contains p, q, x and y. Now try to separate x and p from y and q. So here x is not with p और y is not with q. Perhaps y के साथ में p है और x के साथ में q है. So if we divide this by y or xy, what we do here? See here, xq plus pq, second and third term. We can separate x plus p by taking out q common. So let us see. yp plus x plus p times q equal to 0. So yp is equal to, or minus yp is equal to x plus p times q. Therefore, or y by q minus y by q is equal to x plus p by. So by some simple calculations, I have separated terms of x and p and terms of y and q. So after separating f1 of xp with f2 of yq, we equate this to some constant k. Say that is equal to k. Now we solve these two equations. Therefore, minus y by q is equal to k gives us, what does it give? It gives us the value of q is equal to minus y by k, number one. From these two equations, just determine the values of p and q. दूसरा इक्वेशन x plus p by p, ये इक्वेशन पे से p की वैल्यू हम निकालेंगे इक्वल टू k, और x by p plus 1 इक्वल टू k, और x by p is equal to k minus 1 और p is equal to x upon k minus 1. The solution is obtained by integrating dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Substitute the values of p and q that we have seen here. Therefore, dz equal to p dx, value of p was x upon k minus 1 dx plus q dy, q minus y by k, minus y by k dy. Now integrating this. Therefore, integral dz is equal to 1 upon k minus 1 integral x dx minus 1 by k times integral y dy. Rz is equal to x square by 2 times k minus 1 minus y square by 2k plus capital A is the complete integral or general solution. It involves two arbitrary constants that is equal to the number of independent variables. That apart from complete integral, हम उसको general solution भी बोल सकते हैं. So that is how we get the solution of this. Now, one more example. Second, px tan of y is equal to q plus 1. X and p should be together and y and q terms should be combined here. So px, they are already combined, is equal to q plus 1 upon tan y is equal to say k. I have separated x और p को सेपरेट कर दिया और y और q की टर्म्स को सेपरेट कर दिया, दोनों को कांस्टेंट k से इक्वेट कर दिया. अब px इज इक्वल टू k, इसमें से p की वैल्यू निकलेगी x बाय k, और दूसरा जो इक्वेशन q प्लस 1 अपॉन tan y is equal to k. q plus 1 is equal to k tan y, or q is equal to k times tan y minus 1. Okay. Once you obtain the values of p and q, the complete integral or the general solution dz is equal to p dx plus q dy, or we may integrate this integral. Z is equal to p dx 1 by k times x dx plus k times integral tan y dy minus 1 minus p is to be integrated with respect to x, whereas q is to be integrated with respect to y. So 1 by k times x square by 2 plus k. Integral tan y is log of sec y minus 1 plus some constant capital A of integration. It should involve two arbitrary constants. One is capital K and another is K. So that is the solution of this non-linear partial differential equation. For example, Q is equal to xp plus p square. It is of the first order, second degree. Order of dou z by dou x is 1. First order derivative dou z, but its degree is 2. So, x and p, they are separated. Y and q, they are already separated from this. Therefore, Q is equal to XP plus P square is equal to KC. You must mention which type is this at the outset. F1, which is f of xp is equal to g of yq type. You must mention कौन से टाइप का है, कांग्रेस पार्टी का है, बीजेपी का है, राष्ट्रवादी का है, मस्ट मेंशन ये टाइप का है, ये उसका प्रोटोटाइप है, इसलिए वो ये टाइप का है, इसलिए उसको हम के से कांस्टेंट से के से इक्वेट करते हैं. Q इज इक्वल टू के, एक वैल्यू तो हमको ऑलरेडी मिल चुकी है, एंड एक्सपी प्लस पी स्क्वेयर is equal to k, or p square plus xp minus k equal to 0. From this quadratic equation in p, ये इक्वेशन पे से हम p की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. p is equal to quadratic formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4 AC upon twice A. A is 1, B is plus X, and C is minus K. Minus B plus minus B square minus 4 into minus K is plus 4K. So value of P is minus X by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 times x square plus 4k. So I have obtained the values of P and Q. Therefore, the general solution is obtained by integrating dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy. Integral dz is equal to integral p is this minus x by 2 plus minus integral, or 1 by 2 times integral x square plus 4k dx. This is value of just p. Q is k plus integral k dy. So z is equal to minus x square by 4 plus 1 by 2 times integral of under root of x square plus a square, standard formula is x by 2 into under root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus under root of x square plus a square. So we shall use that formula. Very standard form, simple form. So it is x by 2 times root of this x square plus 4k plus a square by 2 means 4k by 2 into log of x plus under root of x square plus 4k. That is the integral of this first term of the right hand side plus ky. Plus some capital B constant of integration. So that is which is the required solution, general solution of the given non-linear partial differential equation. So that was your third type, f of xp equal to g of yq. So अभी तक हमने 3 टाइप्स डिस्कस कर ली, नेमली f of pq equal to 0, दूसरा f of पी क्यू जेड इक्वल टू 0, और तीसरा टाइप था एफ ऑफ एक्स पी इज इक्वल टू जी ऑफ वाई क्यू. नाउ फोर्थ टाइप, reducible to following types. Namely, type 1, type 2, and type 3. So let us solve the examples based on this. So, fourth example. Solve dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square is 3a square upon z square. We know that dou z by dou x को हम स्मॉल p से डिनोट करते हैं और dou z by dou y को स्मॉल q से डिनोट करते हैं. सो इट इज p स्क्वेयर प्लस q स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 3a स्क्वेयर अपॉन z स्क्वेयर. ये f ऑफ पी क्यू के टाइप नहीं है. एफ ऑफ पी क्यू जेड के टाइप का है वैसे ये, क्योंकि उसमें पी क्यू और जेड की टर्म्स है, बट हम इसको रिड्यूसिबल एफ ऑफ पी क्यू के टाइप में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, रिड्यूस कर देंगे. सी हियर हाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू जेड स्क्वेयर इंटू पी स्क्वेयर प्लस क्यू स्क्वेयर. जेड और पी क्यू को कंबाइन कर लिया मैंने, कांस्टेंट 3a स्क्वेयर को right hand side. There z square into dou z by dou x whole square plus z into dou z by dou y whole square is equal to 3a square. z को dou z by dou x और dou z by dou y से क्लब कर दिया, मिक्स कर दिया उसमें. z को एब्सॉर्ब कर लिया dou z by dou x और dou z by dou y. अब ये z dou z न्यूमरेटर का है, उसको मैं कैपिटल dou कैपिटल Z लिखता हूं और ये dou x लिखता हूं प्लस फिर से ये z dou z को मैं dou कैपिटल Z अपॉन dou स्मॉल y होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3a स्क्वायर. मैंने क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट किया इसमें, z dou z को dou कैपिटल Z पुट किया हुआ है, dou x को और dou y को चेंज नहीं किया. नाउ dou स्मॉल z by dou स्मॉल x इज dou z by dou x नॉर्मली वो क्या होता है, p होता है, और dou कैपिटल Z by dou स्मॉल x को हम कैपिटल P से डिनोट करेंगे. एक नया पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x ऑफ कैपिटल Z है, लेकिन प्लस ये कैपिटल Q स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3a. सो इफ आई हैव combined the term of this z square with dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y, and by simple substitution it has now become or reduced to this type f of pq equal to 0, which is of the type, which type, f of capital PQ equal to 0. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है, therefore its solution, जनरल सोल्यूशन इज z इज इक्वल कैपिटल Z है यहां पर ax, x और y चेंज नहीं है यहां पर, प्लस by प्लस c सच दैट f of ab is equal to 0. f of ab equal to 0 क्या है? यहां पर a ऑलरेडी आया हुआ है, तो ये a कांस्टेंट को k से डिनोट करो. You have introduced k and b. f of kb is equal to 0. f of kb equal to 0 means k square plus b square is equal to 3a square. From this obtain the value of b. Therefore b is equal to, or b square is 3a square minus k square, or b is plus minus under root of 3a square minus k square. Now put this value of constant b here. Therefore z is equal to kx, one constant, plus by 3a square minus k square y plus c. It is capital Z, I am sorry. Now, what is capital Z? Z dou Z, small dou Z dou Z is dou capital Z. Therefore, Z square by 2 is equal to capital Z. If we integrate this substitution, we get capital Z is equal to Z square. Put that value of capital Z, which is Z square by 2 is equal to kx plus minus 3a square minus k square plus c, or z square is equal to twice kx plus minus 3a square minus k square, 2 times of course, plus 2 times multiplied by 2, you get this, which is the required solution of this given partial differential equation by transforming or reducing into f of PQ type. Fifth, PQ is equal to x to the power m into y to the power n into z raised to power 2l. Again, this is reducible to f of PQ types. How? See here. P means we know that it is nothing but dou z by dou x plus, dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y equal to x to the power m into y to the power n into z to the power 2l. Now note this step. So this is equal to dou z upon z to the power l into x to the power m into dou x into dou z by dou y, dividing this by y raised to power n into z raised to power l is equal to, dividing each term dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y by x to the power m, y to the power n रिस्पेक्टिव। डो जेड बाय डो एक्स को x टू द पावर m से डिवाइड किया हुआ है, डो जेड बाय डो y को y टू द पावर n से डिवाइड किया हुआ है। लेकिन z की पावर कितनी है? ट्वाइस l है। दैट गिव्स अस हिंट। तो ट्वाइस l को एक एक पावर हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया। डो जेड बाय डो एक्स इज डिवाइडेड बाय z टू द पावर 1l एंड डो जेड बाय डो y को भी z टू द पावर l से डिवाइड कर दिया। अब ये हो गया, दिस इज फर्दर इक्वल टू डो जेड अपॉन z टू द पावर l अपॉन x टू द पावर m into dou x, dou z upon z to the power l upon y to the power n dou y is equal to 1. अब dou z upon z to the power l को मैं dou कैपिटल Z लिखूंगा। dou z upon z to the power l पुट को dou कैपिटल Z पुट करूंगा। x टू द पावर m डो x को डो कैपिटल X पुट करूंगा और y टू द पावर n डो y को डो कैपिटल Y पुट करूंगा। ये तीनों सब्स्टिट्यूशन को यदि मैंने इंटीग्रेट किया, डो z अपॉन z टू द पावर l को इंटीग्रेट किया तो z टू द पावर माइनस l प्लस 1 अपॉन माइनस l प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू z, x टू द पावर m प्लस 1 अपॉन m प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल X और y टू द पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल Y. Now let us substitute this. Therefore, dou capital Z upon dou X into dou capital Z upon dou capital Y equal to 1. Dou Z by dou capital X. Let us put this as capital P, this as capital Q is equal to 1, which is of the type, which type? F of PQ equal to 0, hence its general solution is Z is equal to डेरिवेटिव्स P, कैपिटल P और Q कैसे? डो कैपिटल Z बाय डो कैपिटल X, कैपिटल Q है डो कैपिटल Z बाय डो कैपिटल Y है। Z इज इक्वल टू A कैपिटल X प्लस B कैपिटल Y प्लस वेयर f of AB is equal to 0, small f of AB. F of AB equal to 0 means A into B is equal to 1. Replace capital P by A, capital Q by B. ये टाइप डिस्कस किया था हमने, f of A P Q equal to 0 में. Therefore B is 1 by A. ये B की वैल्यू यहां पे, therefore Z is equal to AX plus 1 by A times Y plus C. What is capital Z? Capital Z is nothing but Z raised to power 1 minus L upon 1 minus L equal to A capital X, A into X to the power N plus 1 upon N plus 1 plus 1 by A times capital Y is Y to the power N plus 1 upon N plus 1, yes, which is the required solution of given NLPD non-linear partial differential equations. Sixth example. X square p square plus y square q square is equal to z square. So it is x square dou z by dou x or x dou z by dou x whole square plus y dou z by dou y whole square equal to z square, which is further equal to x by z dou z by dou x this step is important, y by z into dou z by dou x, dividing this by z square. Now, let me write this as dou z by z upon dou x by x whole square plus dou z by z upon, this is dou z by dou y by y whole square equal to 1. Now, in the numerator dou z by z, let me put it as dou capital Z. Let dou z by z is equal to dou capital Z, dou x by x as dou capital X, dou y by y as dou capital Y. In view of these three substitutions, dou z by z का इंटीग्रल है log of z. Log of z is equal to capital Z. Log of x equal to capital X. Log of y equal to capital Y. Now, dou z by z is dou capital Z upon dou capital X whole square plus dou capital Z upon dou capital Y whole square is equal to 1, which is of the type f of pq equal to 0. P square plus q square minus 1 equal to 0, which is of the type f of pq is equal to 0, and hence its general solution is z is equal to ax plus b capital Y plus c such that f of ab is equal to 0. Now, what is the meaning of this? F of ab is equal to 0, replace capital P by A, capital Q by B. So, this is capital P square. This is capital Q square. This is capital P to capital Q. So P is replaced by A and Q is replaced by B, gives me A square plus B square is equal to 1, or B is equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus A square. So Z is equal to A capital X plus minus under root of 1 minus A square times capital Y plus, what is Z? Log of Z is equal to A capital X, A log of X plus minus under root of 1 minus A square. Capital Y is log of Y Just see. Which is the required general solution of given NLPD. That is how we solve the reducible types. So 2-3 problems we have discussed. Those problems are reducible to f of PQ type. So these are all these examples, they are very simple. You might have understood very well. Now in the next lecture we shall solve the reducible to f of xp equal to g of y. Some other reducible types. Thank you very, very much.